A very good morning to one and all. My name is Priyanka and today we are starting Introduction to QBasic. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions that are grouped together to accomplish a task or tasks. The statement in program must be written in sequential order to get the desired output. Each instruction should be written in a separate statement. Commands are the reserved words which are given without the number line and it gives immediate output once entered. For example, auto, new, list are commands. A statement is a program of QBasic is made up of statements arranged logically to complete a task. A QBasic statement can be given with or without the number line. For example, print, let, input are the statements. The QBasic. QBasic is a programming language developed by Microsoft for use in MS-DOS operating system. It is the successor of earlier forms of BASIC, beginners or purpose symbolic instruction code, a symbol programming language for beginning programmers. QBasic is an ideal programming language for the beginners because of its intuitive commands, simple structure, and flexibility. It is a well documented software and hundreds of tutorials and sample programs are available for download on the internet. By programming the computer, you can solve math problems, create art or music, and even make new games. It's all up to you. QBasic is a high level programming language. Your computer would be having the QBasic icon on the desktop. So to open QBasic, double click on the QBasic icon. One screen will appear. The QBasic screen is divided into two modes, status mode and program mode. Creating a new file. To start a new program in QBasic, a new QBasic window opens up. Write a program. Let's write a program to display a message on the screen. Type out the following lines. Print QBasic is a programming language. Now you can see in the screen. To save a program, the program written by you can be saved for future reference for the following instructions given below. Click on File menu. Select the Save as option. Save as option dialog box will appear. You can see the dialog box. Type the file name. By default, .bas is the extension. In QBasic, file will be saved with .bas extension. Be careful to put quotations marks at the beginning and end of the message, which is to be displayed. To run a program, let us see the following steps. To run a program, click on F5, then click on Run menu. A blank screen appears where you can see displaying the output. Now what are commands and statements? We shall now learn about some commands in QBasic which will help us to write simple programs. First is print. It is used to display the output on the screen. Print command can be used in different ways to print different types of output. You can see syntax: print message, print hello, I am your friend. Print numbers, example, print 55. Press F5 to run the program. To print a string, always enclose it in double quotations, but to print a number, simply write the number after the print statement without quotation marks. For example, print star 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star. The output appears in separate lines. Here you can see the output on the black screen. For example, if you want to print a numerical number, so 333, so when you want to see the output, it will be like a pyramid of 3. Now second command is end. This statement is used at the end of the program. When this command is ready, read by the computer, it stops processing any further statement. So syntax, enter. Constants. Constants in QBasic can be divided into two types. Numeric constants. There are two types of numeric constants. Real, the number used may be written in decimal form such as 6.9 minus 52.76. Like this are the numeric constants.